Hello mga kasipat! Good morning mga kasipat! Now I have something to introduce to you today. Now we are now in Longchan Temple mga kasipat here in Taiwan mga kasipat. As you can see mga kasipat, it's very old na mga kasipat but it's very historical mga kasipat. Now I will tour you around mga kasipat ha. Let's see. There's a waterfalls here mga kasipat oh. See mga kasipat here in Longchan mga kasipat, there is a waterfalls here mga kasipat. You can swim here mga kasipat oh. There are plenty of fish, mga goldfish, mga kasipat, oh. See, I will tour you around mga kasipat. There are many people here, mga kasipat. They also touring around mga kasipat. They also have their vacation. So I will tour you around the temple, mga Longchan Temple, mga kasipat, as the name goes, mga kasipat, oh. Naman if you're hungry mga kasipat, there are plenty of foods here mga kasipat being sold here mga kasipat oh. This is inside the temple mga kasipat oh. There are many people here and there are many fruits mga kasipat oh. This is a solemn place mga kasipat. Solemn place. There are plenty of food being offered here. This is an offering mga kasipat. Food that is being offered to their gods. So this is a solemn place mga kasipat, so we will not shout mga kasipat because it's a solemn place mga kasipat. It's a place of worship for them, for the people who worship their gods mga kasipat. So these are the place, the temple of Longchan mga kasipat mga fruits being offered to their gods. I will tour you around mga kasipat. They're praying. Some praying mga kasipat. This is the actual temple, of the Longchan mga kasipat. Oh. I will tour you around. Many people are praying, mga kasipat praying. This is a solemn place here. Well, this is a solemn place. We're praying. This is the place mga kasipat. Many people are praying here mga kasipat. Oh, I will tour you around the Longchan Temple. You can see the smoke mga kasipat coming from the rooftop mga kasipat. Oh. There are plenty of food here being offered to their gods mga kasipat. Oh. They're praying. Most of the people here is praying mga kasipat. Praying for good fortune, good health, and prosperity mga kasipat. There are plenty of people here in Longchan Temple. These are the food that being offered mga kasipat. Oh. Plenty of food. These are their gods mga kasipat. Oh. As you can see mga kasipat, part of their tradition mga kasipat is there are smoke. This is being blown out here mga kasipat in the worship place, a solemn place. Solemn place mga kasipat. Smoke coming from the rooftop mga kasipat. A worship place. Many are praying mga kasipat. This is the actual place here. This is inside the temple mga kasipat. The smoke coming from, I think it's a way of, they worship their gods. Way of worship. So mga kasipat, this is what is inside the Longshun Temple mga kasipat. Place of worship of Taiwanese people mga kasipat. So hopefully you enjoy mga kasipat. Please follow and share. I love you all. Bye. I'm done with viewing. There's also a souvenir, mga kasipat souvenir. If you want a souvenir from Yongchan Temple, you can buy it here, yung kasipat. There are plenty of souvenirs here. You can buy it here.